You want to read?
Yes.
Okay, you can, of course.
Okay. Do you like Miss Alaa? Perhaps you enjoy eating it for breakfast, or maybe you enjoy it on a sweet basbousa. But did you know that honey isn't only a food? It is also used as a treatment for some injuries and illness. In some countries, Miss Alaa has been used by doctors for thousands of years. It was first used to treat wounds by
You
Egyptian
so much.
doctors around 5,000 years ago. Recently, scientists have tried to find out exactly why Miss Alaa is so good for healing wounds and treating illness. Scientists know that some types of Miss Alaa contain things
Thank you.
that can help
Thank
to
you.
kill bacteria. This helps wounds to heal more quickly. You must be careful, however, the Miss Alaa that doctors use is a special misala only that is safe to use as a treatment. So if you have a jar of misala in your cupboard, you can mix it with milk to make your cough better, but don't put it on your kidney.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
Look.
I don't know how should I tell you. Thank you. Thank you.
Uh,
Thank you so much.
you're welcome.